Guys, today what we're going to be building is one of those like fancy phone things. Here's an image. And so here are the materials you'll need. A hot glue gun, a little plank of wood, some scissors, one of these things, the phone case, a tube. You gotta milk it now, cause you need to get this fancy tool. You gotta milk it. There we go. There you go. Okay. So we don't need these things for the start. You really just need this tube and your X-Acto pen. Oh yeah, and one more thing. We're gonna be using a cap for this. Heck, I lost the cap, people. Guys, I lost the cap. Yeah, you need a cap for this. So, like, soda cap. I will be right back once I find it, because I lost it somehow. Alright, I found the cap. That took a while. So just a little cap or something for it. And here we go. Okay, what you'll need for this part is your tube, your X-Acto pen, your X-Acto pen, and your cap. Not really the cap. You don't need the cap, but you need your tube and your X-Acto pen. That's what you're going to need for this step. So what you're going to need to do is you take your hand and figure out about where you want it. I already marked out the spots for it, but I want it about there and to that line. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut it here, like this. I'm going to kind of use the scissors for this because tad bit easier. You're just gonna cut off that, and then you're gonna trim down to where you put it. So I'm gonna trim it off there. The X-Acto knife, real quick. Soft plastic tubing is hard to cut for some odd reason. Just gonna cut this, and then you'll have your small little tube. That's all you need from this, so you can put it away and these tools away. We'll get to the next part. This part, you'll need your glue gun, your tube, and your phone case. If this isn't quite even, you could just trim it up so it like fits well. Mine isn't quite even, so I'm just gonna trim it a little bit, so it sits flat. That's basically all you need. And just to make sure that fits well. In your fingers like that, you're going to put the cap on there like that. Have your phone case below that right there. Make sure that fits nicely. Nice and snug. If it does, we shall get to it. So now, all you have to do is take your cap, take your hot glue gun, start to fill your cap with hot glue. It's going to get a little bit hot. Hot glue. Stuff getting hot. That doesn't make much sense, does it now? No, it does. But anyway, fill up your cap with your hot glue. If you run out, get more hot glue, apparently. Gonna run out here. Anyway, let that dry. And get your cap filled up with hot glue, and then we're gonna stick this part onto wherever you want it on your phone. So find where you usually hold your phone. I'm gonna hold it about there, so I'm gonna put that right about there. I'm gonna glue this to my phone in the center. People glue it in the center, like inside. Yeah. Okay, random glue stick appeared. This is nice for this part. Oh, heck. Thank you, random person off to the side. Anyway, you're gonna need to fill this part here with glue. Not gonna be that hard. But do it carefully. If you're a young child who can't handle super hot things, ask a parent. Because that's always advised, isn't it? Isn't it, person over there?
Yeah.
Okay, well there you go. Response from a parent to tell you to be advised to do these things. Okay, so if your glue is about dry, just make sure it's dry. So I'm gonna get you guys back when it's dry and all the glue's like good to go. Yeah, this is taking a while. Su padre.
Yeah.
Pickle, 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 pickle.
You had one earlier.
No, I didn't. Hot glue takes a long time to dry. Okay, so who heckin' cares at this point? I'm just gonna like put them together. This is dry enough. So what you're gonna do? Shoot. Okay, it's a little bit hot. But what you're gonna do is you're basically gonna take your phone case, get your hand on there, make sure that still fits well. If it starts to come off, you may just need to wait a little bit longer, or just put some glue on the outside, like I am doing now. Surround your piece of tubing in hot glue, because this will make sure it doesn't come off. It dries a little bit quicker on the outside than it does on the inside. You can just scrape away some of this excess hot glue off of it. You don't need that. Don't touch it like I do. I'm insane slightly, so don't do that. Do not do this. And after that, just let this dry, and then we'll get to gluing these things together. And it will be great. Okay, now this is kind of dry, but not quite dry enough, so what we're going to do, what you're going to do is you're just going to press that on. Sorry, my GoPro stopped recording again.